This is swordtop. It is a succulent. It has a really nice aesthetic value, and they're not difficult to propagate. On these ones, what we do is we'll cut the tip off, and then we just put it in dirt, just like that, and then they'll grow, just like that. And so what happens is you take that bud, and then the lower buds all start to break. Same with right here. It's amazing. These little things, this is probably 5 years old, so in 5 years, you could have this, but you have to be somewhat diligent about taking those cuttings. And a lot of people won't take those cuttings, the leaves to break or the nodes to break on the sides. But it can be done, and it's not difficult. And again, if you're starting with plants, start with some succulents. They are no fail. You just keep a really nice and light and dry soil and emulate where they come from, which is in Central Africa. Water them heavy on occasion, every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the weather. They can go outside in the full sun. These were grown in the full sun here, and they're really easy to take care of, and I think they're beautiful too. But a lot of other succulents, you just take the cutting off the edge, like that. That's all you do, and you stick it like that, and that will root. That's why we have a lot of succulents. They're extremely easy to grow. This one also, off of the sides, you can just break these off. If you get roots with it, that's great. But if you just set it there, it's going to root. Just don't overwater it and give it a lot of good light.